flood warning for the following counties in Florida: Martin and St. Lucie. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Martin County and east central Florida, southeastern St. Lucie County and east central Florida until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Walton, Stewart, Jensen Beach, Nettles Island, North River Shores, Indian River Estates, Ocean Breeze Park, Waveland, Rio and Hutchinson Island South. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Martin and St. Lucie. Flooded